The distribution of vaccines to combat COVID-19 is presenting logistical challenges around the world. We're facing all kinds of unplanned bottlenecks in distribution. That's because we are racing to inoculate billions of people around the world in the shortest possible time. And getting this done as soon as possible is truly a matter of life and death. Some of the challenges we are facing could easily be avoided, including quality deficiencies caused by a lack of temperature control. For example, checking on the minimum and maximum temperature of the vaccine to avoid it spoiling during transit. Another challenge is that data points and sources are scattered. As the private sector and public sector work together, information is scattered, and this makes planning of actual vaccination capacity difficult. We can only win this race by providing full transparency throughout the supply chain, from manufacturing to delivery to final vaccination. The Celonis Execution Management System will immediately pinpoint any potential delays in the network and highlight any pinch points that are causing a slowdown in the distribution of vaccines. This empowers all stakeholders to act and achieve measurable improvements. Celonis provides a view of how our vaccine distribution process is going. This consists generally of manufacturing the vaccines, then shipping by distributors to a central storage location, and then delivering the vaccines to local vaccination centers. We can expand our analysis to see what happens in case of changes to local requirements, for example, through short-term changes in demand or supply. If we go even further, we get a chance to track the consequences of vaccines being delayed in delivery. Looking at the table containing all the details for each individual vaccine, we can identify precisely those batches of vaccine ampules which are invalid, for example, because they were spoiled as a result of transportation delays. Besides creating much-needed transparency over the distribution process, Celonis offers the possibility to take immediate action. For instance, we can directly alert a vaccination center that has received invalid vaccine batches so that they can either rebook appointments or order fresh supplies. The Celonis Execution Management System connects all stakeholders and data points in the vaccination process. It measures any execution gap in the delivery, distribution, and quality of vaccines and shows the impact of each gap. More importantly, based on the insights, action for improvement can be taken to optimize vaccination capacity. With Celonis, you can generate insights through the various levels, from a holistic overview of the whole vaccination process across Germany to a vaccination center-specific view in each administrative region. You can filter on a vaccination center located in a specific city and monitor real-time vaccination progress. To get the vaccine distribution right is a matter of life and death. The Celonis Execution Management System is able to analyze processes, to provide transparency, to suggest the right course of action, and to act in real time to ensure that these life-saving vaccines get to the right place, in the right way, and at the right time. It's a race against time. Let's all collaborate to overcome this crisis. What are we waiting for?